So here we are on to section 12. Click that image. Yes, okay. So now I'm going to show you how you can make it so that if you click on an image, you will be taken to another site, for instance, okay? Right now, when you bring this into full screen and you put your mouse over the pictures, nothing happens. The mouse stays the same, okay? So, how do we do this? First of all, you start out like you would start out with a regular link, okay? So, open close bracket A, open close bracket /A, okay? So, we would usually put a word here between the two tags to make it so that you can click on the word, okay? But we're not going to do this if we want to have a clickable image. Instead, we're going to separate the two, okay, like this. And then we finish off the opening tag by saying href equals quotation marks, yes. And then we find the place we want to link to. I'm going to use Scratch again, like I did before. So I use Control C or Command C because I'm on a Mac. And whoops, come back here. There you go. And I put this link here by saying copy or Command V, paste. Okay. So, and then in between the two, I'm going to put a new image, okay? That is going to be the image that will be clickable, okay? So, what kind of an image do we find? Pets, how about, since the link is to Scratch, let's make dog, scratch, scratching dog. What do we got here? These are a little bit too big. How about this one? This one looks like a passionate scratcher. This image is, you can always see the image size here. These two numbers, 213 times 216. It's a good size, it's not too big. And then again, you copy the image URL by right-clicking on the image, yes, like we did before. And then we go back here and we make an image tag, just like the one we used for a regular image. So we start with open close brackets, img, src, image source, yes, and put the closing slash right in the back, and then you say image source equals quotation marks, and you copy the image link in by using Command V, okay? So, oh, that doggy is quite big, but let me see, let me make it a bit smaller still by saying width is equal to, let's say 200 maybe. Oh, still a bit big. 150. 150 looks better. Okay. So, and now if you, I'm going to close my tab up here. Yeah. If you look at the full screen, you see that here the cursor stays, and when you hover over this image now, it changes, and when you click on it, voila, my internet is a bit slow today, there we go. Then we have Scratch, okay? So this is how you make an image clickable. You can do this with one of the images you got in here already, simply by going back in, give yourself a little bit of room, and putting the image, link tags around it, okay, like this. So if I wanted to make the second image here clickable, I would put in the opening tag and I would say href equals quotation marks, and then right away, so I don't forget, I put the closing tag as well. Open close a slash. So this is not very nice formatting here. These should all line up here. Nasty. Let me see. There we go. So this is better. Where were we? Yes, here. Now I need to find some place to point this to. Let's just point it to YouTube, okay? And paste it in here. And now you can see that this image is clickable as well, okay? If you prefer to have these images stacked on top of each other, an easy way to do it is by simply putting in a break between them, like this. Open close brackets and then BR. That pushes that one down, and then this one as well, if you like. BR, whoops. Okay, now you got them all on top of each other. Maybe you even want a little bit more space. Now there's better ways of doing this, but you know, for the beginning, this should be just fine. Okay, so we have clickable images. Let's see if this is acceptable. Yes, it is. Congratulations! Oh, I earned a badge. 10 exercises. Yoo-hoo! So, next up is section 13.